is a mixed thing?
Yeah, it's a mixed thing.
Or a mix of what all you're saying?
Of salted barley popcorn
Okay.
and dried apricots
Okay.
and dried apples.
Okay.
So a mixture of energy. Dried apricots and dried apples.
Okay.
Barley is like a crop that grows very well here in the region, and it's like what people always used to eat.
It is a mixed thing?
Yeah, it's a mixed
Or a
thing.
mix of what all you're saying?
Of salted barley popcorn
Okay.
and dried apricots
Okay.
and dried apples.
Okay.
So a mixture of energy. You want to take for the journey? Also the apricot jam, it's so delicious. It was just made recently from this year's apricots.
That fruit which we were talking about is apricots, yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Apricots, yeah. And then also I have sea buckthorn berries. Here in the region you can sometimes have sea buckthorn tea. Also down there you can drink sea buckthorn tea. And these berries, do you know, they look like this? Have you heard of them or have you seen them?
No.
They are very, very healthy. They have a lot of vitamin C and they're very good for the immune system. And you can make tea out of them, or you can just eat them like dried berries, or add them to salad or also muesli, like porridge.
So we'll take a mix of this, huh? We'll keep it.
Why are you?